क्लास फिफ्थ एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज। मैं आर एस प्रसाद आज आपको चैप्टर 21 ताला गांव के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। इस चैप्टर को करते हैं, पहले देखते हैं इसमें मेन पॉइंट्स क्या हैं, इसके बाद चैप्टर में चलते हैं। तो तालागांव is a place of historical importance situated 32 kilometers away from Bilaspur on the bank of river Maniari. One of the famous temple in Talagaon is Devrani Jethani Temple. It was built some 1500 years ago. Red stone was used for making temple of Talagaon. Devrani temple has an idol of Shiva. This idol is unique in itself as it is different from the idol of Shiva found all over India. The stone idol of Shiva in Devrani temple has 10 faces and all the faces are different from each other. This idol is carved out a single stone and its weight is 5000 kgs. Kilogram है इतना. A few kilometers away from Talagaon is confluence place of river Manyari and river Shivnath. Thus, this place has a lot of natural beauty. चलिए देखते हैं उस टेम्पल को जिसकी ये बात करें। ये है देवरानी टेम्पल। नीचे आपको ये देवरानी टेम्पल दिखाई दे रहा है। इसके बाद चलते हैं देवरानी टेम्पल को दूर से देखते हैं कितना खूबसूरत दिखाई देता है। ये आपका देवरानी टेम्पल थोड़ा दूर से देखने पर ऐसी फीलिंग आती है और बहुत ही अच्छा गार्डनिंग वगैरह यहाँ पर की हुई है। आपको अगल बगल दिख रही है सारी गार्डनिंग। चलते हैं दूसरे टेम्पल की ओर बढ़ते हैं। ये है जेठानी टेम्पल। ऐसा लगता है देवरानी ने जेठानी टेम्पल को गिरा दिया है, पर ऐसा नहीं है। ये मौसम के हिसाब से चल रहा है, समय की मार है इसकी। चलिए देखते हैं उस आइडल ऑफ शिवा की मूर्ति, यानी ये है वो आइडल ऑफ शिवा जिसमें डिफरेंट फेसेस बने हुए हैं और ऑल द फेसेस आर डिफरेंट। सारे फेसेस में डिफरेंट बना हुआ है। चलिए क्वेश्चन आंसर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। Does your town village also have ancient temple or monument for which it is famous? Yes, I live in Champaran. This is the birthplace of Vishnu. Vaishnav sect promoter Sri Vallabhacharya. Here ancient Champa Keswar temple is situated. People come here from remote area to see this place. How was red sandstone transport for the construction of temples? So answer है for the construction of temple, the red sandstone will be transported by many people together from the bank of river, where there are trucks and tractors some 1500 years ago. So answer है there were no trucks and tractors some 15 years ago. How were big rocks transported from the river to the construction site? So answer है thousands of people by using horses, carts and elephants had transported big rocks from the river to construct site. In such temple were to be constructed in a present. How would the rocks stones be transported to the constructed site? Construction site में कैसे transport करेगा? Answer है trucks and cranes can be used for transporting rocks to the construction site for building temple at present. Have you taken any measures to save creatures found around you? Answer yes. To save creatures around us, we increase the people. We opposed against the hunting of animals. Though sculptors of today carve out images of birds, animals in the statue that they make. Answer है yes. Sculptors of today carve out the image of birds, animals in the status statue that they make. Name some other ancient places in Chhattisgarh. Find out from your teachers or elders why those places are so special. सो आंसर है यहाँ नेम ऑफ प्लेसेस है और यहाँ पे फीचर्स है इसके। चलिए देखते हैं। सबसे पहला नंबर आता है आराम। दिस प्लेस इज नोन एज टेम्पल सिटी। हियर टेम्पल्स ऑफ 12th century are situated. Kanke. It was the capital of Somvanshi dynasty. Many ancient temples are situated here. Rajin. Rajiv Lochan Temple is situated on the confluence of Mahanadi, Peri, and Sondhur Nadi. Ratanpur. It is a place of religious and historical importance, situated 26 km away from Bilaspur. Moramdev. From artist point of view, the Shiva temple of this place is the best. It is also called as the Khajuraho of Chhattisgarh. This temple was constructed in the 11th century. Turturia. Here idol of Buddha were found. Some people write their names on historical monument and building. Do you think this is right? Answer. Some people write their name on historical monument building. It is absolutely incorrect. By doing this, the historical building is destroyed. What can you do for the conservation of historical monument buildings? So answer and we can do the following for the conservation of historical monument buildings. First, do not write anything on the wall of historical buildings. Second, do not spit pan gutka on the buildings. Third, there should be provision of maintenance of building from time to time. Is there any museum near your city village? So answer है Mahant Ghasidas Memorial Museum is situated in our city. Find out what are present there. So answer है Mahant Ghasidas Memorial Museum is an archaeological museum. Sample of tools, ancient coins, statues, engraves, etc. are represented in it. Various models of regional advisory tribal traditionals are placed here. The ruins of which two temples have been found in Talagaon? So answer है the ruins of Devrani Jethani temples have been found in Talagaon. The idol of which god is there in Devrani temple? So answer है the god of Devrani temple is Lord Shiva. What kind of stone is used in temple of Talagaon? So answer है red stones is used in temples of Talagaon. When the during When and during which dynasty were the temples of Talagaon constructed? So answer है the temples of Talagaon were constructed by the rulers of Gupta dynasty in the 4th and 5th centuries. What is so special about the Shiva idol excavated from Talagaon? So answer है Shiva idol excavated from Talagaon has 10 faces. All the faces are different from each other. On their faces are curved images of a cobra, peacock, chameleon, crab, fish, snake, and other such creatures. This idol is 9 feet high and 4 feet wide. Its circumference is about 2.5 feet and weight 5,000 kilograms. It is carved out a single stone. From where was the stone used for the construction of temples of them? चलिए आंसर है the red sandstone used for construction of temples were obtained from the bank of river Manya. इसी के साथ बच्चों ये लेसन समाप्त हो रहा है। नीचे लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसे जरूर दबा के सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट्स करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करें जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके। और इस बेल आइकन को भी दबा लें जिससे कि मैं नया वीडियो डालूं तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत मिल सके। मेरे चैनल को देखने के लिए आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत थैंक्स। इसी के साथ मैं आरुष के साथ आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।